Today we talk about how can you add or change your username on your Clubhouse app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here or your photo profile. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on your name. So then you come to next step here, click here on your username. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you change your username here. When you're done, you just click here on update, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.